Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Sendwave app. If you're getting a lot of challenges with your app, maybe it is not working, the app is too slow, some features are not working, or even the app crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix this and any other related issue with your Sendwave Money app, just long press on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. If you tap on it, it will take you to Sendwave app information page. Here, first go to force stop app and then okay. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then head to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. Again, go to clear all data and okay. At this point, restart your smartphone and now open your app, and this should have fixed issues with your app. But should you still encounter any other challenge, then you need to go ahead and check for any update for this app from Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. But even after doing this, if your app still crashes, that is, it stops immediately open, for that it means your app contains bugs, and to fix it you'll need to uninstall your app and install it afresh. So by following any of this, now your app should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.